Alright guys, diecastmania here with another video, and today we're going to take a look at this Matchbox scraper, or S.C.P.R.X. Yeah, they have a thing with abbreviating and mashing up the names on the models for some reason. I believe that's something to do with international markets and whatnot. But anyway, here we go. And on the back we have that little blurb, more like a single sentence. But anyway, this is a 2017 model, and what interested me about this piece, I was looking through the pegs and I managed to find this one, and it had an eerie kind of similarity in my mind, like it brought up some kind of memories. And actually, I was right. I actually looked online and remembered that this was actually a kind of re-release of the 2011 model of this scraper. So anyway, here's one of my examples of the 2011 one that's been modified a little bit. So basically it's exactly the same as the newer one, except for the 2014 modification of the scraper that removed the lower part of the scraper pan and turned that into plastic. So really all that's missing is the American construction and the stars along there. So anyway, that was pretty interesting. I thought that I've never really seen Matchbox re-release a model, or at least a model so similar. But anyway, this is 33 out of 125. I guess we'll take a look at it and talk a little bit about the model. So anyway, this I believe was originally 2008 is when the scraper first came out. Features working articulation. That is how the scraper turns. So anyway, basically the scraper is separated into two parts: the main tractor unit and the rear, or the bowl or pan of the scraper. And basically what a scraper does, it's used on a large earth moving site, and it just goes around on the site cutting the earth and collecting it in this part until it is completely full, and it'll transport the dirt to another area where this part, called the injector, would push out and spread the dirt in another area. So anyway, the engine is located on the front part, and that is the main driven part on this particular unit. There are what are called twin engine scrapers with additional engine in the back, which powers the rear, although not all scrapers are in that manner. And sometimes, depending on the configuration, you can use them in a push-pull kind of setup, usually assisted by a bulldozer in the back, that they kind of link up and move more earth in one pass. So anyway, that's a little bit of the scraper terminology there. Also, this main part, the pan or the bowl, usually rises up and down to adjust the cut angle, and also to raise up when it's done cutting. And so anyway, that is the operator's cab. There's a nice little tiny seat in there. So yeah, it's loosely based off of a Caterpillar scraper. So anyway, there we go. It's a nice model, very nice red, white, and blue with a little bit of gray in there. So yeah, there we go. Thanks for watching.